And welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gavin Extreme. I can't really yell because my sister's sleeping. And geez, look at this. And I also got orange and blue. Okay, so this video is just going to be about comparing my sorry, cover the camera there. Hang on a second. My 3x3 Rubik's brand. Sorry about the sun of the glare. I'll try and cover it. Ow. Just snapped my foot. So I have my Rubik's brand. It doesn't turn that bad for a Rubik's brand. I don't really use it anymore because once I'm sitting. Once I got this one, I'm not used to this being stiff like that. So I'm gonna compare them right now for you guys. Oh, I almost have green. I almost have white on this. White. Here, blue, and then green. I think I already said that, and then orange. So this one, it's not stickers. It's tiles. This one is stickers. And I don't cheat to take out the stickers. I'll scramble this cube after, and then I'll solve it. And then I'll see how long it takes me. So you guys can time me once I'm done it. So, I'll tell you a technique of how to solve it. I can actually solve it. I don't want to scramble this. I can actually solve it. Because for every Rubik's Cube you have to have at the very top, you have to have one side solved. And then on each side, you have to have, at the top layer, has to be solved like that. And I have it on each side. And on the bottom, that'll be a tricky one. I almost can solve it. So, I'll show you, I'll compare the difference. Yeah, it doesn't really turn that good. This one turns much better. Oh, sorry, hang on. Gotta cover my... It's easier if your finger covers it a little bit, and then you turn. Did I just hear something? Attack myself. So I made this video where I looked for a ghost. Then it didn't work recording because it took forever, so then I got rid of it. But I could have fixed it because my channel is verified now. But I can, but I got rid of it before. Which I'm not that upset about it. I can fix it. I can just remake the whole video. And now that my channel is verified, I can have videos for hours, days, weeks, months. That's how long I can film it. So I can film for 24 hours, a full day. Or maybe even a week. Once your channel is verified, you can film for forever. You can just leave on your camera for 100 years. And then eventually stop it and then wait another 100 years. So then I had this I already did turning like that. Not that great. I was about to say good, but then I was good, great. I'm going to say great and good. I don't know. Alright. So it's not that good, this one. I can simply do a speed solve for like a side. I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So if you see anything in the background, just comment below because I'm not looking in the. Sometimes I look in the background. Oh, I'm tired. Like I literally just woke up. So I don't know really. I'm really tired. So I compared that. I'm gonna see how long it takes me to solve this. So what I'm gonna do is I have to get my phone. I actually should plug in my iPad and film on the island because that is where I should do because my iPad's gonna die. So I'm not gonna time myself, but I'll see. I'll tell you which one I think is faster. Yeah, I have to plug this in. Because my iPad's probably now like 10%. Well, it'll tell me. It'll tell me when it's at 10%. But I think when I'm filming a different time. So that's a big glare, but sorry about that. That's too big of a glare. If I sit here, maybe. Yeah, here, the back. Okay, I'm good. So I'm gonna compare this Rubik's Cube. So I'm gonna scramble this quickly. It's right here. I'm gonna scramble it. Show you that I actually can solve it. I will solve it. Ooh. See, this is how you scramble and then you'll solve it quicker. You just go like 1. And then you go right there like 2. Then just solve. See, it's all completely scrambled on each side. Nothing. See, orange is now mixed up. It's all mixed up, so I'm going to solve it. The side will solve. Never flip a side like that. You can easily break it. I know some people who do that and they sometimes break their cube. And sometimes they spend like almost $100 for Rubik's Cube. And then they just break it. See, already like that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know you're getting nervous. How about this? If I solve this Rubik's Cube, you have to like this video. If like I solve a side. If I solve a side, you have to like this video. And you have to subscribe with every device you have if I solve a side. Okay? My fastest time solving one side is 13 seconds. I know that sounds phenomenal, but it's true. Some people can solve a side in like 10 seconds. So then they would only take, or maybe even 5 seconds. So oh yeah, I got this, bro. This is good for like speed solving. Okay, almost there. Need 2 more sides. Ooh, ooh. I had those two, and if I flip it, I just need that right there. Right there, there, bam, 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 huh, huh. Let us subscribe with all of your devices. Even though you might only have one account, that doesn't mean you can't. You have, if you don't only have one account if you have all the same account for the devices, just like on every account. Okay, so I'm gonna compare this video now. I'm gonna compare the video. The heck do I mean? I mean that I'm gonna compare the Rubik's cubes. Now you can definitely tell the colors are darker. I'm gonna try and do solve on this, and we'll see how long it takes. Okay, I like getting into like a X, like an X, like that, and then down, like that. Like I like doing it like that, like bam, bam, and then right from there, turn it to that. I am struggling. Then you have that. And then you go like that. Then that. And then that. No, then you go like that. Hey, hey, hey. Ah. Not too bad. Not too bad. I done slower. My slowest time to try and solve an actual Rubik's Cube is like 50 minutes. I know, it's crazy. So, it is early. Jeez. Now, oh, there's my phone. I gotta time myself. Oh, perfect. For some reason, whenever, like, if you solve a Rubik's Cube like this, like a 2x2, it's much easier. Like, you don't even need that much practice. My fastest time to solve a 2x2 is 3 seconds. To solve a side. Are you ready? I mean, no, not that. I mean, ooh. On here it's much easier to flip it. It's much easier to flip it. But some sides, like, you can't flip it. Ooh, blue's easy. Some sides, if you just can't flip it, just don't try because it might break if they're too hard. So don't get really mad. It like feels like a box if you turn like a if you turn a 3x3, it feels like a box, and you turn it sounds like one too. That's my fastest time. 4 seconds. 4. Perfect. I am back. I gotta get. Wow. Jeez. Alright, so I'm gonna end the video soon because I can't stay like this all day. Here's much harder to flip it. Is it square? That one is like, it's like not like square. It's like, where's the color? So as you can tell about comparing them to, the shapes are different. Here they're all squares. Here they're not all squares. Like in the corners, right there. Like on these two and these two. I have a math question for you. how many like squares is on one, it is solving one side. How many squares is like one side, like that? How many squares is that? All right, go. I'll give you 1 minute. Okay, that's all I gave you. It's 9. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What? I'm on my iPad. I just have to know what I'm doing. Alright, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Peace out, guys. Peace out, extremers. Stay extreme. And soon I'll be able to solve a full Rubik's Cube. I feel like I'm 9 or 10. Peace out. Ooh, look at that mate.